Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make text appear one by one in Google Slides. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, select the text and click on this three dot icon and click on animate, and here you'll find this fit in option, so tap on click on that and you can select any animation effect from this list and click on here and select on click, and now select your another text and click on add animation, and you can select here any effect and make sure to select on click on this second box, and I'm going to select in my last text add animation and giving here, and after that I'm clicking on play, and here you can see my text is appearing one by one. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.